This is the first pitch, was the ball, bottom of the fourth. There's a hit. They got him! I'm watching the play and not moving the camera, but they got him. Nice throw. 1-0. Pop fly. Runner is safe. Strike one. Man on first.
Are you talking to
a fan?
Hi.
I'm calling the play-by-play. Yes.
Go Are you saying the name? Spagnolia.
Yes. That much. But I don't know the names of that. I don't know the names of the other team. But they do have them on their jerseys. Our guys, I'm forgetting some of them, so I'm afraid the parents, when they see this, are going to be disappointed with me. Top fly. Yeah! Whit Tom with the clutch catch. Nice job. Ball one. Oh, nice stop. Oh, that was a beautiful stop in the infield. Beautiful stop. Grayson. Wait, which one do I have? Yeah, that's Grayson. Beautiful backhanded stop. I'm sure I didn't get it on the camera. Two balls, no strikes. This is the boy that hit it to the fence last time. 3 balls, no strikes. Grand one. Ball, one more pitch. And he watches the last pitch go. Good job, Keller! 3 up, 3 down. 12 minutes left. Top of the 5th. Paul hits it past the first baseman.
Stay there, Paul.
Nice way to open the inning. Grayson's up. Ball 1. Ball 2. Foul ball. Strike 1. 2 and 1. 2 and 2. Good eye. Strike 3.
Good job, buddy.
Options 1 to go by. 1 ball, no strikes. 2 balls, no strikes. It's all right, Jackson. Good cut. Good cut. There's a hit to the pitcher. There's going to be at second. They got the 4th. 2 outs. Gray is up.
$21, 2 balls, 1 strike.
Run fast! Run fast! Oh. Here and back. You got it, you got it, you got it! 1 out. You've got to get 2 more outs before that clock says 0, so that we can play the 6th inning. Yeah! Taylor! Snags it at third base!
That's the way you do it!
A-Rod's got nothing on you, boy! Ball 1. Foul, 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 foul. Three ball, 1 strike. Gotta hit up this center field. Throws to second. There's a pop up. Backed up by Paul. Good job. Throw it! Throw the ball!
Right here, right here. Pitch, go to the mound, 19, where's the ball? Come on, 1 more. I got you, man.
Paul couldn't quite get it. Game called for time. Final is 10-6. They played a good game. Very good game.
Good game. Way to play, Cole. Good job, Kevin. Hustle, guys. Okay, high five. Okay, game. Let's go, Dragons.
Well, good luck. We hope the Dragons go all the way, because if they do, that means that we lost to the champions.